Best crypto to buy today 20 December, FGHT, IMX, D2T, BSV, CCHG. The cryptocurrency market has risen by a modest 0.5% in the past 24 hours, following a weekend of losses. Its total cap of $845 billion still represents a 4.5% decline in a week and a 3.1% fall in the last 30 days, during a period when it has taken a beating from the FTX collapse, ongoing Federal Reserve rate hikes, and fears surrounding other cryptocurrency platforms, for example Genesis, Binance. Despite market-wide losses, a number of coins have bucked the overall trend to record gains. At the same time, a number of promising new pre-sales have begun, promising early investors above average returns when their respective tokens list for the first time. This article collects such tokens in a list of the best crypto to buy today. The coins featured have good short and long-term prospects alike. FightOut, FGHT. One of the newest and most interesting projects in the cryptocurrency space, FightOut, FGHT, is a move-to-earn fitness app that combines real-life workouts with Web3. Running on the Ethereum blockchain, it works in a similar vein to platforms such as StepN and Sweatcoin, yet rather than tracking and rewarding only steps a user takes, it will reward a much wider variety of workouts, including boxing, weightlifting and yoga. Launched last week, FightOut's token sale has already raised over $2.8 million, with its price set at $1 for 60.06 FGHT tokens. The sale has been allocated 60% of FGHT's total maximum supply, which is capped at 10 billion, with the remaining 40% will going towards exchange, liquidity and rewards and development. Investors can participate in the sale by visiting FightOut's website and connecting their Wallet Connect or MetaMask wallets. FGHT is then purchasable using either USDT or ETH, with the sale currently offering bonuses of up to 50% for investors. What's interesting about FightOut is that it will combine an app with real-world workout sessions. According to its white paper, it will open up to 20 of its own gyms worldwide, while also partnering with a number of existing gyms. Immutablex, IMX. IMX is up by 6.5% in the past 24 hours, with its current price of $0.453608 also representing a 6.5% gain the past week. The altcoin has also risen by 7.5% in the last 30 days, and is up by 20% since reaching an all-time low of $0.379749 on November 21st. IMX's chart reveals a steady recovery of momentum since November. What's promising about this is that its relative strength index, purple, for instance, has only just risen over 50, indicating that it still has plenty of room left to rise. This claim is also supported by IMX's 30-day moving average, red, which has remained well under its 200-day average, blue, since the summer. Again, this suggests that, from a purely technical perspective, IMX is due to rise big. For those unfamiliar with Immutablex, it's a Layer 2 scaling solution for minting non-fungible tokens on the Ethereum blockchain, which has notoriously suffered from high fees in the past. It offers instant transaction confirmation and near-zero gas fees for issuing and trading NFTs, using zero-knowledge rollups to manage up to 9,000 transactions per second. Immutablex's platform caters largely to Web3 games, i.e. games that use NFTs, and has enjoyed significant uptick in adoption over the course of this year. This is one of the fundamental reasons behind its recent gains. Immutablex has also partnered with gaming retailer GameStop, with the latter's NFT marketplace launching on the Immutablex platform in late October. This further extends the Layer 2 platform's visibility and reach. As such, IMX is set up nicely for a strong 2023, as and when market conditions become more positive and bullish. D2Trade, D2T. D2Trade is an Ethereum-based trading intelligence platform that provides investors with real-time analytics and social trading data, helping to build stronger portfolios and arrive at more informed decisions. The sale of its D2T token has raised over $10.2 million and is now in its final stage, which is due to end in 17 days. This gives interested investor only a limited period of time with WHCH to buy the coin at a discount, at which point it could rise significantly following its first listings. On the subject of listings, D2Trade has already confirmed Bitmart, Changelly Pro and Lbank Exchange as the first platforms to support its native token. This will provide early investors with a substantial amount of liquidity in which to exit. Looking at the D2Trade platform itself, it will provide beginner and experienced traders with a highly comprehensive range of tools. These include social sentiment metrics, on-chain analysis, trading signals, strategy building tools, news, feeds, exclusive presale access, and new listing alerts. Taken together, such features should help investors stay ahead of the cryptocurrency market. Likewise, they should help D2Trade become a successful platform when it launches early next year. Bitcoin, SV, BSV. BSV is up by 3.5% in the past day. At $46.43, it's also up by 12% in the past fortnight and by 18.5% in the past month. BSV's indicators suggest that it may have begun a significant rally, with its RSI rising towards 60 in the past day or so. Likewise, its 30-day moving average has turned up towards its 200-day average, signaling a potential golden cross that would imply a breakout. In terms of its fundamentals, it's worth pointing out that BSV enjoys more transactions per day than Bitcoin, supporting the claim among its champions that it's more usable as an everyday medium of payment. On the other hand, it enjoys far fewer social mentions, for example on Twitter, and doesn't boast the kind of institutional adoption that Bitcoin has witnessed. Most recently, the launch of the Bitcoin SV-powered board social network has helped to boost market bullishness for BSV, which will be used for tipping and payments on the platform. This launch suggests that Bitcoin SV is more than a slightly more scalable Bitcoin fork, and that it could offer more utility than its rival going forward. C+ Charge, CCHG. C+ Charge, CCHG, is a new peer-to-peer payment system for electric vehicle, EV, charging stations, having the aim of democratizing access to carbon credits. It has just launched the pre-sale for its native CCHG token, which is used within its network by EV owners to pay to charge their vehicles. This sale will have 4 stages in total, with the first, and current, stage offering CCHG at a price of $0.01300. This price will then rise with each subsequent stage, giving early investors limited windows of opportunity if they want to buy the new coin at the biggest discounts. CCHG will have a total supply of 1 billion, with 40% of this supply allocated to the sale. There will be no vesting period for pre-sale investors, so they will be able to sell their CCHG as soon as the coin lists on exchanges. One of the interesting features of C+ Charge is that it will also reward users with carbon credits for charging their EVs at its stations. These will be provided in the form of the platform's Goodness native token, GNT, which represents a verified voluntary carbon credit, backed by A16Z Crypto, Samsung Next, and Invesco. Thanks to this feature, C+ Charge may provide greater incentive to use EVs, since GNT will be tradable. In the past, EV owners had not received carbon credits for using electric-based cars, so something like C+ Charge's platform is arguably long overdue. Visit C+ Charge now.